Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing the DCQE120 Type DK/Z air pump. Join us as we take a closer look at what's inside the box, explore its key features, and see why this air compressor is a must-have for every car owner and DIY enthusiast. Let's get started. Introducing the DCQE120, a compact and powerful 12V max air pump designed for convenience and efficiency. Equipped with a 2.0Ah battery available in dual-pack or solo options, this device operates at an impressive 13,000 RPM and delivers a maximum air pump of 8.3 bar. With a lightweight design, weighing only 1.05 kilograms with the battery and 0.8 kilograms without, it ensures effortless portability and ease of use. Key features: compact and portable, designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Intelligent digital display, provides real-time and accurate air pressure monitoring for precise inflation. Built-in LED light, enables operation in low-light conditions, ensuring visibility in dark environments. Tire pressure control, set and monitor tire pressure effortlessly, giving you full control and accuracy. Low noise and vibration, designed for quiet operation, reducing disturbance and enhancing user comfort. Accessories and packaging. The DCQE120 comes with essential accessories including battery charger, 1x battery pack, bodkin, plastic gas nozzle, adapter, color box packaging. This high-performance, portable air pump is perfect for inflating car tires, bicycles, sports equipment, and more. Whether at home or on the road, the DCQE120 Type DK/Z is your reliable companion for all inflation needs. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.